What's that noise? Okay, I'm awake now. But where is this noise coming from? I should check. So here we are at the dining room. My food is going topsy-turvy thanks to the wind, but nothing more about it. Let's check in the next room. My, the cats have taken charge of my dressing room. Don't be naughty, kitty. Hey puppies, having fun? Just don't finish off my cookies, okay? Huh? The sitting room too seems clear enough. Where were the noises coming from? Let's take a look outside. Niyor garage? Next door? Okay, let's check it out. Here we are at Niyor's garage. Oh wow! Niyor seems to be very good at his job. Oh well, hello there.
Hello, hi.
Are you open?
Yes, I am.
Yes, excellent. Oh wow, look at all these tools. What are you working on now?
This.
Oh, like this?
Yes.
Wow, awesome! The ship is repaired. Oh, like this now, isn't it?
Yay.
Help! Somebody help! I need help!
What is the matter?
You see, just like any day, I was having so much fun going through my track. And suddenly, just like that, I couldn't move anymore.
Okay, give me.
Can you help?
Yes. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Are the measurements about right?
Yes. All right. What could be? Idea. Battery is out. Yes. We need new battery. New batteries. Now screwdriver. Let us check. Wow, it's working. Yeah.
Thank you. Bye bye.